Hello, welcome back guys, and in this tutorial we are going to set up our emulator. So an emulator is an hardware or software that enables one computer system to mimic another computer system. So what I am trying to say is that if you are using Windows and you want to try the features of Android, you can do it with an emulator. It is basically a virtualization. So let's set up our emulator so that we can run our Hello World program. So click on Tools, Android, AVD Manager, create virtual device, and you can choose any system image you like, but I recommend you to use Nexus 4 as I have tried and tested many apps on Nexus 4 and it is quite fast. And if you are using any other images, it may take more RAM, so I recommend you to choose Nexus 4 and follow along. So click on next. And if you are using Linux, you can simply click on x86 image and click on the nougat and it will start running. But if you are on Windows and if you have not successfully installed the hexim, then you need to go on other image and download the nougat image. So let's I have already installed the hexim, so click on next, and you can change the image from here also, and you can also change the Android like marshmallow or lollipop. And I want to choose my startup orientation as portrait, and if we want to change it to landscape, we can do it later. And I want to put emulator performance on automatic, but if you get any errors, you can change it to software. Hopefully it will resolve it. Show advanced setting, and in this advanced setting you can put your RAM up to, it is 1536 MB, about 1.5 gigabytes. You can put it to 2 or more if you want, if you have about 16 gigabytes of RAM. But if you have about 4 gigabytes of RAM, I recommend you to put about 700 MB, as it 1.5 gigabytes is a lot for 4 gigabytes of RAM. And internal storage, you can increase the internal storage if you want to build a lot of apps in your emulator, but I recommend you to set it. So we have successfully built our emulator, and you can see 3 options here. If you click on the first option, it will start your emulator. You can edit your settings from this option, and you can duplicate wipe data, show on disk from this option. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and in the upcoming tutorial we are going to run our Hello World program. So stick with me, and if you like this video, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.